wait for Daddy. Yeah, Daddy's still sleeping. I know what you want. No, I can't take you. I can't take you for a walk. I got a boo-boo leg. Daddy is going to take you when he gets up. Daddy will take you. I know. It's terrible. It's just awful. It's okay. What if Duchess came? What about Duchess? Is Duchess coming? Oh, God bless you. Big sneeze. God bless you. 3 sneezes in a row. It's okay. Maybe you're catching a cold. Axel. You're too big to jump like that. No. Daddy will take you. Daddy will take you. You're going to give me a howl? Give me a howl. All right, that's enough.